Alright guys, let me go over what I just did. I used a red RTV gasket maker by Primatech. You can get this at Home Depot for like $5 or so, I'm not sure. What I did was I knocked the pins out that's on the mag. When I took that out, I left the gasket in. I tried it without the gasket. It did not work. It kept leaking. I left the gasket in this time. I put the Primatech over the gasket on the bottom. I pretty much smudged it everywhere. It doesn't matter as long as you wipe it off when it's done. It's fine. You know what I mean? After that, I pushed it back together. I pushed the base of it back into the mag, and I pressed it. I got this vise from Home Depot also for 10 bucks. And what I did was I just pressed it up on here, knocked the pins back in, and let it sit for like 10 to 15 minutes. And that will hold the gas maker, which is a Primatech. Pretty much that was it, and it holds its seal, as you can see here. I've been holding it for a while now. No leaks. So I'm gonna go for it. Set it up again. Put some more gas. No gas leak. And this is what we want right there. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you guys find this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Would greatly appreciate it. Thanks.